What's up, guys? So, how you doing? I was just going through this article on CNBC where they were talking about something called a dangerous proposition, where top scientists warn of out of control AI. I'm putting this article here. I think you guys see what what I'm talking about, and this just broke my heart. Artificial intelligence that is smarter than humans being built like agents could prove dangerous amid lack of clarity over controls. Two of the most two of the world's most prominent AI scientists told CNBC. Yoshua, Bengio, and Max Tegmark warned of the dangers of uncontrollable AI. For Tegmark, the key lies in so-called tool AI systems that are created for a specific, narrowly defined purpose without serving as agents. All right. Okay, so let's get deep into it. Artificial general intelligence built like agents could prove dangerous as its creators might lose control of the system. Two of the world's most prominent AI scientists told CNBC. Oh my God, what a breaking news! Straight from the 70s, yeah? In the latest episode of CNBC's latest episode of Beyond the Valleys. Oh my God, they're just surprising me. They're blowing me away. Released on Tuesday, Max Tegmark, a professor of Massachusetts, MIT, right? Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the president of Future of Life Institute, and Yoshua Bengio, dubbed one of the godfathers of AI. Oh my God. And a professor at the Université de Montreal spoke about their concerns about artificial general intelligence, or AGI. The term broadly refers to AI systems that are smarter than humans. Okay. They're fears from the world's biggest firms, not talking about AI agents or agentic AI, which companies claim will allow AI chatbots to act like assistants or agents and assist in work and everyday life. Industry estimates vary on when AGI will come into existence. All right. With the concept comes the idea that AI systems could have some agency and thoughts of their own, according to Bengio. Researchers in AI have been inspired by human intelligence to build machine intelligence, and in humans, there is a mix of both the ability to understand the world like pure intelligence and the agentic behavior, meaning to use your knowledge to achieve goals. Bengio told CNBC is beyond the wiki. Right now, this is how we are building AGI. We are trying to make the agents that understand a lot about the world and then act accordingly. But this is actually a very dangerous proposition. Why? How? No technical details. Danger, 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 danger. Right now, this is okay. Bengio added that pursuing this approach would be like creating new species or a new intelligent entity on this planet and not knowing if they're going to behave in ways that agree with our needs. Bengio, why so stupid, bro? So instead, we can consider what are the scenarios in which things go badly and they all rely on agency. In other words, it is because the AI has its own goal and we could be in trouble. Sci-fi movies from 70s, Bengio. The idea of self-preservation can also kick in as AI gets even smarter. Too many sci-fi movies, Bengio. Do we want to be in a competition with entities that are smarter than us? Really, do you even understand the meaning of fucking smart? It's not a very reassuring gamble, right? So we have to understand how self-preservation can emerge as a goal in AI. And humans are chutias, right? We are not going to self-preserve. We are not going to do anything about anything, right? We are just going to sit here dumbly. AI tools. Okay, for MIT's Tegmark, the key lies in so-called tool AI systems that are created for a specific, narrowly defined purpose, but that don't have to be agents. Tegmark said a tool AI could be a system that tells you how to cure cancer, or something that possesses some agency like a self-driving car, where you can prove or get some really high, really reliable guarantees that you are still going to be able to control it. Okay. Power switch, bro. Power on, power off. I think On an optimistic note here, we can have almost everything that we are excited about with AI if we simply insist on having some basic safety standards before people can sell powerful AI systems. AI systems which is barely able to write code is the most powerful AI system in the world today. Right. So they have to demonstrate that we can keep them under control. Then the industry will innovate rapidly to figure out how to do that better. Tegmark's Future of Life Institute in 2023 called for a pause on the development of AI systems that can compete with human level intelligence. While that has not happened, Tegmark said people are talking about the topic and now it is the time to take action to figure out how to put guardrails in place to control AGI. So at least now a lot of people are talking the talk. We have to see if we can get them to walk the walk, Tegmark tools, CFBCs beyond the valley. It is clearly insane for us humans to build something that's smarter than us before we figured out how to control it. There are several views on when AGI will arrive, partly driven by varying definitions. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman knows his company knows how to build AGI and said it will arrive sooner than people think. Though he downplayed the impact of the technology, my guess it will hit AGI sooner than most people in the world think, and it will matter much less. I think that's true. It's just, I mean, first of all, I don't know, MIT and whoever university today, the Montreal, these professors, well, not judging anyone, but still using a judgmental tone. I think these guys should really need to define what being human, what being smart, and what being intelligent means, and what being a dumb machine that can take some decision means, right? I think these are nerds that just lost in their sci-fi shows and Big Bang Theory and are totally disconnected from reality, or maybe very CNBC is trying to, you know, what do you call them? Fear monger, right? Because they needed something. So that's why it is there. Well, you can take your own decision. Let's talk about in comments.